Namaste, y'all. I just want to do a quick video and show you how to make a vest out of your scarf. So it works best if you have a really wide scarf, something that's really wide, but you could also do it with a semi-wide scarf, something like this. All you do is take your scarf and you're going to fold it long end. Bring those two short ends together. So fold one long edge of it together like so, okay? And then you take those corners and you tie them into a knot gently. Don't reef on your scarf, okay? And then you open that up and you have armholes and you now have a vest, okay? And depending on the length of your scarf and how broad your shoulders are, it may be kind of tight under your armpits and you might have to loosen that knot a little bit or just get a longer scarf. And you can do the same thing, make like a little vest with a shorter or a scarf that's not as wide, and fold it long end or short end to short end, tie a knot, just a regular knot. You can hear my husband practicing inside, maybe drum set. And there's your armholes. Knot goes like at the back of your neck. Let's see if this one will fit. There you go. Namaste, y'all.